we've put together a solution that takes drones, uses them to take photos and video in the field. We then run artificial intelligence and then move them into a map. From that map, the responders in the field know what's going on, and it also helps them decide where they're going to allocate resources. When every single second counts, 5G is an extremely interesting and promising technology. That means the difference between having a map and a pin and here's live streaming video to help you send a response crew. So if someone was trapped under a tree or in a house, we can actually stay with them through this machine teaming process. And so we're very excited about what this technology can do for us, which then open up all new applications and all new markets for our customers.